Hi, I'm Joe Rusk, co-owner of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Ever notice any unwanted pets in your home? Or should I say, pests underneath it? Bugs and critters love the dark, moist environments that exist in damp, wet crawl spaces. Termites love wet wood. Spiders love eating other bugs and insects that are usually plentiful in damp dirt crawl spaces. Snakes, mice, and rats love them too. And did you know that the #1 allergen in the home comes from dust mite droppings? Tiny dust mites do not drink water, they actually absorb it from the damp, wet air. Damp, wet, high humidity crawl spaces helps them thrive upstairs in the home. So, dry out the crawl space air and you dry out the air upstairs, which helps eliminate all those pesky bugs. A dry, encapsulated crawl space with controlled humidity will send all those pesky bugs and rodents looking for another place to live. Hope that helps. Have a great day from all of us at AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.